wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best mobile whiteboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. An accessory shelf that spans the entire length of the Luxor aluminum lets you keep all your dry erase markers in one place, so you won't have to search for the perfect color to make a point. It has a clean and professional look and is great for conferences. However, it bends more easily than some. At number 9, the Kamelleo Reversible is for those needing a big writing area, as it's available in a huge 7-foot-long model that offers over 4,000 square inches of space. The frame comes in several colors too, including an eye-catching blue. It includes sturdy ABS plastic corners and a flip chart pad, but adjusting the height is frustrating. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Teachers dealing with children who like to play rough with their classroom equipment will benefit from the steel frame of the viz-pro magnetic. The handles that adjust the angle release quickly and lock back into place just as rapidly. This one can survive outdoor use, and you have a choice of several sizes. However, the assembly instructions are poor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether you want something portable or that will fit on your workstation, the ousl desktop has got you covered. At a trim 16 inches long by 12 inches tall, it can go just about anywhere you do and offers handy double-sided use. It's equipped with sturdy locking hinges and recommended for kids aged 2 and up, but it is pricey for the size. Moving up our list to number 6. If you need an affordable and portable model, the viz-pro Eco might be ideal. It boasts a steel pad clamp for hanging sheets of paper and a magnetic surface, giving you several ways to present information. It's equipped with lockable wheels and comes in a range of colors. However, it feels a bit unstable. Halfway up our list at number 5. Tutors or parents homeschooling their kids will appreciate the dapper display. With 12 magnetic buttons, 4 markers, a ruler, and a dry eraser included. It's like an on-the-go starter classroom. If required, it can be hung on the wall, either horizontally or vertically. It features a stain-resistant surface and a money-back satisfaction guarantee. It rotates for double-sided use. At number 4, as the name suggests, since the stand-up desk store divider extends almost down to the floor, it can serve as a partition as well as a creative surface. If you play classroom games in which you need to separate 2 groups, this will come in handy. It's a good length for anatomy lessons and equipped with a robust steel frame. However, it doesn't have an accessories tray. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. By simply pushing a button at the base of the Superior Essentials Easy Flip, you can turn it over rapidly, revealing the content on the other side. It comes with an anti-rust coating and all the assembly hardware, and it doesn't wobble when you write on it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, rolling whiteboards usually don't do well on carpeted floors, but the maxtek easel with its 5 casters is an exception. A versatile choice, it arrives with a 25-sheet pad of paper. The height adjusts easily and it features triple-coated paint for durability. It's relatively affordably priced too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the durable Creative Space Standing features smooth rolling wheels made from steel and silicone rather than flimsy plastic that can snag. This one can also be wall mounted and includes 24 magnets. It's not prone to ghosting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video.